Now, what's a variable in Python? To store or save a value for later use, we can define a variable with a specific case sensitive name that can be used to refer to that value. And to define a variable, we use equal to sign. And storing a value in a variable is called declaration. So let's see one of the simple declarations. So we call declaration. So declaration okay, so declaration, let's say I have a cost price. Let's say I have a something called cost price. Let's say I have cost price equal to 1000. So it can be INR or it can be anything. So, and let's say I have something called selling price equals to, okay, so this is how we have declared two variables. One is called cost price and another is called selling price. And now what has just now we have done, right? So we just created this variable. Now we can use them for any calculation we wants to do, or any sort of data operation we want to do, whatever data they are storing, right? So if I want to see this, I can use print let's say first print cost price. So this is, again, you see the same thing we'll be able to see for selling price, right? So this is what. So now let's say I want to find what's my profit, right? So we know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, right? Now again, profit is another variable where we are just doing some operation on that, and in that way we are understanding that this so ideally what has happened there, right? So it has basically, let's see first profit, what is the value we are getting in the profit, right? So the profit, so yes, so I have bought something in $1,000 and I'm selling at $2,500. Obviously I am making $1,500, so that is what it is telling. So instead of explicitly using these values, now tomorrow if my selling price change, my cost pricing change, I can, this will give me accurate result, profit result, rather than hard coding the value. So that is how we use variables, and they are called variables because their value might change going forward. So they are like a placeholder, or you can consider a bucket where you can add things. So in a memory, it will be some memory location it is assigned, and it will write certain values there and read certain values from there. So that is how variables, and they are very important because we will be creating a lot of variables, and when to store the data and stuff like that. That's all for this video. See you in the next video.